Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If using Windows, you can specify folders that the organizer in Photoshop Element should watch to look for new media that is added to the folders. By default, the Pictures folder is set as the default watch folder, but you can specify additional folders to watch if desired. When new photos or videos are added to a folder that is being watched, the organizer can notify you of that fact, or it can automatically import the newly added media instead. To specify watch folders and determine the action that the organizer should take when new media is added to a watch folder, select File, Watch Folders from the menu bar to open the Watch Folders dialog box. Ensure that there is a check mark in the Watch Folders and their subfolders for New Files checkbox. The current folders to watch appear in the Folders to Watch section. To add a new watch folder, click the Add button in this section to open a Browse for Folder dialog box, which you can use to navigate to and select the new folder to watch. After selecting the folder, click the OK button to return to the Watch Folders dialog box and add the selected folder to the Folders to Watch list. To remove a folder from the Folders to Watch list, click the name of a watched folder in the list, and then click the adjacent Remove button. To determine the action that the organizer should take when new media is added to a watched folder, select the desired option button for the associated action you prefer within the When New Files Are Found in Watched Folders section. The options are Notify Me or Automatically Add Files to Elements Organizer. After adding the desired watch folders and determining the default action to take when new media is added to watched folders, click the OK button at the bottom of the dialog box to apply your settings.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.